Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to check balance on Visa gift card. So first of all, I will just show you what is the Visa gift card. You will see this is the Visa gift card, the 16 digits of number or expiry or the username. Now what gonna do, I will be just again just tap on Google and type Visa gift card balance. So if I just scroll down, you will see the check gift card balance, this one purple icon. I want to just tab on it as well. So after loading this website, you will be just enter your uh, 16 digit card number, expiration date, or CVV code. Just all put your information of your gift card and just tab on it, check balance. In this way, you will just have to check balance on Visa gift card. So, hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.